Alright, so in this lecture we will learn just how to change the Photoshop layout. Okay, so as you see here we have this one, just like this is the panel for 3D. If you want to change this, just if you are working in the photography, okay, then you can change, click here, photography, and now it will show you the tools that will we use in the photography. So these are the tools that are used in the photography, and this is the adjustment layers. Okay, you can find all the adjustment layers from here, and you can change them directly. Okay, and you see the histogram that you change the things. Okay, so I will delete these things, and now when I change these things, okay, so you see the histogram will change. So according to the color panels, the pixels that we change in the photograph, in our image, then the histogram will change according to this one. So it will showing the just like here you can see the curves of the colors that just like the blue, green. Okay, so basically these are the curves that we change in the images. It will show you the ups and downs of the colors that we change in the Photoshop. And this is the actually the navigator. You can just zoom in the image, and you can just find the working area like this. Okay, or you can press the control and plus key, and using the spacebar, hold on the spacebar, move your mouse key to come to this one, and you see it will also move. So the batteries, you can use this one to move the image, just like for the zoom in and zoom out. This will work better. Alright, so here you can see the library is nothing. It will it needs the internet connection and the Creative Cloud login. So we'll come to the just like these adjustments, and you can see here the multiple parts, just like the blend mode is same as we just learning in the blend mode. Okay, all right, so actually I will tell you the blend mode about things, just like if you want to change the image. Okay, just like if you have two images, just like here this is the one, and the second one is my, okay, they put it to down, and color basket, I'm going to use the color basket. All right, so here is my color basket. Now this is my paint bucket. Okay, and the color I will use here. Okay, so first I will change it to the 3D, and now this is my color mode. I'm gonna just paste it the this one. You can see here the color. If you want to see, just make it top. You can see I just paste a color onto my this layer. Okay, if you want to fit onto the this panel, then you can press this control and the close bracket. Okay, the bracket that is comes with the 0 key. You can press this one, and it will fit onto the your panel, just like if I will zoom out and 3 times. But if I will press the control and close bracket, then it will just make it fit on my window. Now make it to the below of this one, and now you can see the blend mode. Just click this, select this layer, and you can see it's the normal, and it's the dissolve blend mode, the darken. It will merge two layers. Okay, so blend mode is about the, you can mixing up the top layer and the below layers according to the things. Okay, you see here's the blend mode changing, and the effect is also changing here. So actually you are blending two layers on one on each other. So this is about the blend mode. All right, so next thing that we are using is okay, so we just learned about this one. If you are just like working on the graphic, then you can select this graphic panel, and it will show you the option that will come using in the when you are designing the graphics. Okay, and the web things. Right, so next thing is about, so okay, this is the graphics. We will learn about to change the its appearance. Okay, so you can just file, and we will go to the, here is my okay, so all right, so here is my option. You can see here the preferences. You can change this, press Ctrl K or click here. Okay, the interface, and this is the color that I'm using in my interface, and these are the modes that I'm using. And if you want to change the color theme, then you can change the color theme of your Photoshop, just like the appearance of your Photoshop. Okay, and these are the things, just like the full standard mode, the default one, drop shadows. You can change these things also, just like the export things. Okay, so the workspace, you can change these things according to your need. All right, and if you want to change the shortcut key, just like here you see the cut, it has a Control X, the copy Control C, then come to the keyboard shortcuts and you can press Alt Shift Control K. And here you see, when I come to the file, for the new I have a Control N. You can change the shortcut here, just like if I will press Control O. Okay, so O is not valid because the command is already taken. If I will press the control with this one, okay, so this is also taken. Control Alt W. Alright, so you see this will be removed. This is already in use, but the crossover is accepted. If you will change it, then it will change the this command that is just on the window. Okay, so the tool that is using this command, it will not longer be use this command, and now this command will assign to the new option. All right, so okay, so just find the new tool, just like this one. Okay, I'm gonna finding the key that is just not using it in any option. Actually, maximum keys are in the Photoshop are already in use. Okay, because there are many tools and many options though. So many of the functions or tools are just like the shortcut keys are already in use, but you can change it from here. Just like if you use this one, okay, it is already in use, but you can assign this shortcut key to this file. Alright, so when you click on the accept and okay, then it will assign the hold Control A to the new shortcut. Just like if you press this one, then it will load your new document. Alright, so these are the things that you can change in the Photoshop to change the Photoshop appearance and the working area.